Plus for the staggering 86 million rand estimated jackpot, while Powerball is an estimated 78 million rand jackpot this Tuesday. That's right. Play Powerball Plus for an estimated 86 million rand and Powerball for an estimated 78 million rand today. Buy your tickets now in store on nationallottery.co.za, the mobile app or cell phone banking. Panda Pusher Play. Players must be 18 years or older. Play responsibly. Ituba is a proud operator of the National Lottery.
And action. Kaiga, yeah, mo. Win Kaiga. Kaiga, turbo. Kaiga.
Voice over, please.
Oh, book a test drive today for any Renault vehicle at any Renault dealership and stand a chance to win one of Mzansi's most stylish compact SUVs. The Renault Kaiga, a certified head turner valued at 330,000 Rand. Book a test drive before 31st May to enter. T's and C's apply.
And music.
Yeah, mo. Win Kaiga.
The upcoming segment discuss content that is of adult nature. The views and opinions expressed are not that of the SABC and are that of participating contributors and listeners, and do not reflect that of the official policy or position of Metro FM.
It's 23 minutes after 10 o'clock. We are ready and we are steady. Can we just go? Anonymous is on the line. The Naked DJ and Somizi are here. And of course, on digital, we've got you as well. If anything, you can see what happens visually in studio at Metro FM SA. Let's speak to Anonymous. Good morning, Anonymous.
Good morning.
Hi, my lady.
Hello.
Are you well?
I'm good, yourself.
Great, thank you. Where are you? You sound like, hey, you're busy with something there in your hands.
I'm inside the car. I just
Okay.
parked the car. I was driving when I called you.
Okay, perfect. Anonymous, while you are in the car, you park safely, you're right. No need for hazards, right? We good?
No, I'll be good.
Okay. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respect for language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
I do agree.
All right, we are listening.
Hi, Anonymous.
Ask a man.
Hello.
Anonymous, hold on.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Whose car is that?
Hey, man.
It's my car.
Is it?
The one I'm driving.
Is it? Did you buy it?
Yes, I bought it.
Or he bought it?
Okay.
Yes,
can I continue?
yes.
Yes, you can.
Okay. I'm in love with this man.
Sissy,
Oh, I start laughing now.
Sissy, hold on. Start. We met at. I'm in love with this man. Okay, go, girl. Let's go. You just shook us because. Wow. Carry
Don't
on.
mind us,
I'm
don't
in love
mind us.
with this man. It's been more than 3 years now.
Mm.
We don't have a problem at the moment. The thing is, I'm not sure if the man is mine. Because, number one, I don't know his face.
3 years.
Yeah. Anonymous, are we watching?
Guys, you said that this space is what you call, I must be free, it's a safe space.
Yeah, okay, yes.
Yes.
But you started by laughing.
No,
yeah, Anonymous.
it's honestly serious.
You
Anonymous.
have to listen to me first.
Okay.
And you are right. You are correct. Anonymous, I'm going to turn off their mics, okay?
We'll behave.
I'm turning off their mics.
We'll behave.
I don't know where the man stays. However, I know where the man works. Yeah, he visits me often. We go out. We do a lot of things together. But I don't know his family, and I don't know where he stays. When we met, we agreed that we don't want children. In fact, we are old, both of us. We are over 50. We agreed that we don't want children and we don't want to get married.
I'm turning off your mics.
He is stable. I am stable. He's driving his own cars. I'm driving my own car. I've got my own house. He's got his own house. But the thing is, I don't know whom he stays with at his house. He visits me a lot. I've never visited him. So now I'm really, really serious. I want to make a decision now. is this man mine? Can I continue or not continue?
Okay.
When I asked him that question, he says, I must not hurry him. He needs to solve problems because I was not there when those problems appear. So he doesn't want me to be part of the problems that I was not there before. Yes.
Do you have children?
So I'm asking a man, is this man mine?
Yes. Do you have children of your own?
Yes, I do have children of my own.
And do you know if he's got children of his own? I don't know.
Yes, he's got children of his own.
Okay. Have
We
you?
always speak about our children. Yes.
Okay. Have you met any of his children?
Nothing.
Okay.
I've never met.
Have you
any
met
of his
any of his toothpick? At least something of his.
colleagues?
Okay. Let's. Have you met any relative, like one, that malume that drinks chibuku?
Okay, yes, I met his brother once.
Okay. All right. Wow, anonymous. Naked.
Why all of a sudden do you want a change? Because everything has been going smoothly, you know? Everything has been great for the last 3 years. Why all of a sudden do you need change?
This year we were fighting about taking a vacation. Yes, I wanted to book for a vacation. Now she doesn't want to go with me. Doesn't want it. This person only wants us to just to go to the restaurant for 1 day, 2 days. Oh, last year we booked for 3 days. But now I wanted a 7-day vacation. And then I also said that's my treat.
Okay.
I will pay for everything. But he's skeptical. He says, no, we'll speak about it. No, we'll talk about it. Don't worry. I'll make time. I have to organize my things. Organize what? Organize what? I want to go out. So should I go alone or should I take my children with? I want to take a partner, not my children with.
The problem here is not him. The problem here is you. And I'll tell you as we come back from the headlines.
Okay. Anonymous?
Yes.
I'm going to go to the news. We're going to come back. I love how straightforward you are. I respect that. Let's stay. Don't go anywhere. We're coming back after this, okay? Anonymous has been with a man she's in love with. And it's been, 3 years now? They are both in their 50s. The relationship is going amazing. Ask one thing. She's never been to his place. Has always come to his workplace. She has never met his family either. Met the brother a while ago. She brought this up. He said she must give him time to figure things out in life. Her one question is this man mine? Correct, Anonymous?
That's correct.
And the thing is, if you have to ask, you know he's not. Now, certain things happen in relationships when we start off, right? And the benefits and what you're looking for at the time, everything works out. Everything is as you want it, you know, and both ways. And I bet you when we actually have to think back and ask you questions, this guy probably even from the get-go, the reason why you've not bothered him in 3 years is because there was always a certain wall when you get to a certain place and where you knew your place. But obviously then you caught feelings. And so on and so on. And then now you're like, maybe I don't want to play around anymore. Maybe I want a solid relationship. But then you forget to say, hey. Our agreement from the get-go was this. And we have been pushing for 3 years like this. Nothing is going to change. I didn't go on vacation for the last 3 years. I'm not going on vacation now. Because what am I going to tell my wife? Now you've become super comfortable and you've forgotten your place. Don't forget your place.
The thing is, I'm not sure what my place is. I'm not sure if I'm a mistress. I'm not sure if I'm the only one because he always says I'm the only one.
Yeah, you know.
And then I've respected him for all these years. Now I'm tired. The one that you say is true. I want to know.
Anonymous,
is this man.
you're the only one when he's with you.
Amen. Amen. Oh.
And the 3 years have gone by with no incident. Because when he is with you, when you guys are together at your place or at the restaurant, gumnandi angisho. Because for 3 years it's been great. But then your mind and how you see this relationship, you are changing. And now you are leaving him behind. Because he's still put his foot down where he put his foot down 3 years ago. If he wanted to take you to his place 3 years ago, he would have. If he wanted to go on vacation with you 3 years ago, during honeymoon phase, he already would have. There's so many...
What's confusing is I can call him anytime, even at 12 o'clock or 1 a.m. I can call him if I need something. And he also does the same. And the problem is I've never been to his place, but I can call him anytime because I did it out of spite, calling him after 12 or 3 a.m. in the morning, but he will still answer my call.
You know, there's a lot of...
He also tells me that he stays alone.
Yes, Anonymous.
Visit.
Anonymous, the craziest thing is there's a lot of married people that don't live with their partners. And it's okay because it works for those marriages. In fact, I even think in polygamy, is there like a main house or every woman has their own house? Right, and then the man visits the different houses.
In the same
crowd, in the same
homestead.
Yeah, in the same homestead.
Yes.
Yeah. So, Anonymous, the other wives could have their own places where they sleep. And there's also people in normal marriages that don't sleep in the same bedroom. And that
spoke about this yesterday.
Yes, and it happens, and it's normal. And those people love each other, blah, blah, blah. And, you know, what more do you want to know from us?
You know, I'm busy saying that, you know, this that I'm saying, ne?
So now you're saying that man is not mine. Maybe it's ours.
I don't know. I'm even scared to tell you because
Just say it.
Okay. No, the reason for my mourning, you know.
Yeah?
For my mourning. Like,
Okay.
you know when you've lost either someone or you have no tears left.
Yes.
And you've been crying for the whole month.
Yeah.
And then, but all you can do now is go.
It's so easy. Ish.
This is the state of your relationship. It's
You know, so Mizzy, when we started, I was really looking for love.
Yes.
Then I said to myself, I agreed to the terms and conditions because let me enjoy the moment.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
So I think now the moment has passed.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Love that.
Did you hear me yesterday when I said, if we're to check in with our self-esteem before we engage in relationships, we would not find ourselves in situations like this.
She was in love yesterday. She didn't hear anything. Oh, Anonymous.
Yes. Anonymous, when you met this guy, you probably have just come out of a very bad heartbreak.
No, I was in a break for some time. I was alone for a long time.
How did the last relationship end before this one? Was it?
I don't even remember, no.
You don't even remember?
But Somizi.
Wait, naked. You must answer it. You don't remember how your relationship ended?
Yes, I don't remember.
Where's the man? Is he still around?
The ex?
Yes.
Okay. Let me tell you about my ex. It was only for less than a year.
Okay.
Because that person also was not free to me, was not open to me.
Okay.
Then I decided to leave that person, just like that. In fact, he stopped calling me.
Okay, so Mizi.
Yeah.
Anonymous said when she met this guy that she's with right now, she agreed to the terms and conditions.
Yes.
Anonymous, what were those terms and conditions?
We're not going to get married. We don't want children.
Yeah.
Only
Yes,
two.
let's take one step at a time.
Nice.
And then I said to myself, let me enjoy the moment. This is love that I need. Yes. So I enjoyed having someone with me who's calling me, telling me I'm beautiful, taking me out, whom I can cry to and tell him my problems and stuff like that.
Okay.
And then now, because we've been together for more than 3 years, I need him more.
I know.
No.
Have you been? So, do you know where, at least which area does he stay? You must go.
Which province?
I'm just respecting him, but if I want
No.
to know exactly where he stays, I can dig around and go.
You can what?
You will not do such.
You can what?
She can dig
She can
around
dig
and find
around.
No,
something.
you need to dig, Anonymous.
No, guys.
Dig, Anonymous.
No, guys.
Anonymous, you need to dig. You
Because last time I even checked the social media of her children, because he's not on social media that I know.
Yeah.
But I checked his children on social media and I found out.
Yes,
I know.
Anonymous,
The
Anonymous.
mother of the children, I found out.
Yes. Listen,
Yes.
listen. I'm advising you. Ne? I'm advising you. Your name
man.
from now on, we're gonna call you Psychodelia. Utanagabo. Yes, Psychodelia. Sometimes it's justifiable because you know why? If you walk away, Anonymous, ne?
Yes.
If you walk away, you are enabling him. Anonymous, stop fidgeting. I'm settling on age. Put some nerves.
Yes, Yalingana.
Yes. And you know what this noise does. That's why I don't like phone calls. Anonymous. If you walk away, ne, this is my advice to you. Today, I'm saying stand your ground. If you walk away, you are enabling him to continue to do all these shenanigans to other women. If you dig deep and go to where he stays and go, you'll be saving a lot of women. Or you'll be exposing him to the wife because he's not an honest man. Ne? If that's the case. And when you get there, look at him in the eye. Stare at him in the eye. Ne? Don't shake. Don't quiver. Look at him and say, I am telling you, I'm not going, and you gonna love me. Ne? And then lastly, but the greatest poet of all time, Mzwakhe Mbatha, look at him and say, I am not resigning. Yes, Anonymous.
Easy.
Yes.
I think he's staying alone.
Don't laugh,
Anonymous.
guys.
Anonymous.
Anonymous.
Don't laugh.
No.
I think he's staying alone, and
He's not
I'll
staying
go.
alone. Let me tell you
For
why.
your advice, I'll go. I wish I can even call and say, to me, I went and I found this.
You can
and
call.
this.
You
can.
can call. Don't worry, you can call. But let me tell you why I don't want you to think he's staying alone. There's a possibility that he's staying alone. There's a possibility that he doesn't stay alone.
Yes.
There are marriages that have become so cold and boring to the extent that the other partner is in another room, the other partner, not because they're happy naked, sometimes the relationships, it's a routine now for a man to sit in the couch and watch whatever he wants to watch whilst the wife is sleeping until 3 a.m. And comes into the bed, or the other way around. There are relationships where they sleep in separate bedrooms. There are relationships where the only thing that's keeping them together is one of them stands to lose something. They don't love each other, and they don't want the other one to have a reason to claim whatever because they've cheated and don't. But they both know one of them is cheating. Even if the phone rings, he stands up and walks away and goes and answers it by the door without even shaking and worrying. And then comes back and sits, and he will never be asked who's that because it has become the norm.
And those relationships, it's their business. It's none of our business.
Yes.
Ukuthi what they've chosen. But they've chosen to be together under one roof. When Anonymous, you're not going to go spying. You're not going to do anything. Okay? You're going to make a decision. Remember, what you don't know, what you haven't known in the last 3 years hasn't hurt you. You've been so happy for 3 years.
Yes.
Right? And Mina, don't steal your own happiness, Anonymous. Because what you are looking for, you'll find it. So don't steal your happiness. But now that 3 years later, you have decided to break the contract, you are not going to go bother this man. You want something different. Unfortunately, he's not offering what you want.
So what must you do?
But I need
Guys,
you.
no.
I need more.
No. Anonymous.
What must you do, naked? Come
No,
with a
there
solution.
I've said it. Anonymous, he is not offering you what you want.
What must you do?
You let this man go because you want something different. Angeke uhambe uyomhlupha so uyohlupha umama sekhaya, you know, it's in the homestead or
No,
whatever.
Mama Sekaya.
Good
What is
question.
this, Mama
At the
Sekaya?
Anonymous, what you want, this guy's not offering. I don't think you get it. If he wanted you, you would be in his bed right now. Can you feel how cold it is? Right? Yeah, it's cold. If he wanted you in his bed, you would be in his bed right now.
Okay.
But how his life is set up, that's not what he's looking for.
Anonymous, we're coming back. Hold on for me.
Growing kids need more.
Events.
45 minutes after 10 o'clock. Anonymous, you still there?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, perfect. Let me allow the guys to wrap up and then we'll allow everyone else to also give you advice. James?
So, Anonymous, you are not going to ruffle any feathers. The investigations stop right here. Because remember, we don't force people to be in relationships with us if they don't want those relationships. Ne?
Naked DJ. I don't want to be alone.
You what?
She doesn't want to be alone.
So,
No.
but Anonymous, you can't force to be with him because he does not want to be with you. Anonymous, you've
But
been
it's always at my place. I even cook for him.
obvious. You cook for him. You do. Anonymous, we love getting those benefits from Islim. You know,
Aye.
like you cook for him, you
Naked.
you give him dessert. Umupha yonke angisho.
Yes.
You even do girl on top.
You don't have to answer, Anonymous.
Yeah, she does it. I'm telling you.
Naked.
Girl on top over 50.
Hlonipha.
Girl on top.
You even do woman on granny on top, right? Anonymous.
Naked. No, naked.
Anonymous.
Oh, guys, you don't know how it's like to be in love.
Yes,
again.
when
We all need to be loved. We all need to
Yes.
love.
Amen.
Anonymous, the man does love you, and the man does love all of you, and he loves all of you equally. Okay. Just know that when he comes over, that's your time, and nobody has ever taken that time away from you. Okay.
Why is he not telling me the truth?
Anonymous, just don't steal this man's happiness. He's giving you all the happiness that you want. Anonymous, you can't have everything in life. He's
So I
sacrificed.
must settle with whatever I gave.
I gave you two choices, Anonymous. I said, remember, he doesn't want to give his all to you. Okay?
Okay.
But then you want more, and he's not offering you more. So,
Okay.
so if you want more, you're not going to get more from this guy. Leave him alone. Leave him alone today. Ungamhluphi baba bantu tu. Don't bother
But
him.
do you agree?
Anani?
I'm asking some reasons. Do you agree?
Thank you, baby, for asking me. Thank you for the opportunity. I appreciate it. Sissy, at our age, we have nothing to lose. Right? We are nearer, my God, to thee. so you must do whatever that tickles your kunantra.
Yes.
Your kunantra must be happy.
Yes.
I say, go for it. Do what you want. Go knock at that door, Lavi. So
Thank
that
you, my
you
dad.
find closure. Because you'll always have questions. Every time he comes, you'll be thinking he's from somebody else. And it was, and when he goes, he's going to somebody else. No, you must find your answers. Because your answers must match your thoughts. Because if you say you think he loves you and he lives alone, your answers must match your thoughts. If they don't, you'll always be unhappy. Asiye, siyaphambili, ne?
Yes, even after knowing, at least I know.
Yes, are you gonna stay if you find out that he's got another woman?
I think so.
Yes, I love it. You see, at our age, we don't lie.